Welcome back to the Academy. For a long time, we've treated AI strictly as a writing assistant, but today that capability has dramatically expanded, and the software can now render complex visual environments from scratch. While the barrier to entry is gone, anyone can type a sentence and get an image, the actual quality of those images varies dramatically depending on the user operating the tool. Looking at this split screen, on the left we have a flat, basic illustration produced by a beginner's request. On the right, we have a highly detailed photorealistic render of the exact same subject. The software used for both was exactly the same. The difference in quality comes entirely from how the instructions were written. Professional designers follow a specific formula to achieve that high-end result. To understand how to control the output, we first need to look at how image generation actually works. The system acts as a translator, converting human language directly into digital pixels. Every descriptive word you type functions as a strict algorithmic command for the rendering engine. In this diagram, you can see how text prompts act as input variables. They feed into the central processing node, which interprets those specific terms to construct the vector wireframe of a scene, like this mountain lake. The AI itself has no visual intuition. It relies entirely on the precision and specificity of your text to build every element of the frame. To give the AI the exact parameters it needs, professional designers use this 6-part framework. Step 1. The subject. This tells the AI the primary focus. Next, style. This sets the artistic direction, like cinematic or watercolor. Third is lighting, establishing the scene's mood. Fourth is camera. Requesting a DSLR forces photographic realism. Fifth, quality ensures high resolution. Finally, background anchors your subject in a physical environment. If you leave any of these 6 slots empty, the rendering engine has to guess what you want. That guesswork is exactly what degrades the final image quality. Now that we have the framework, let's apply it directly to build a complete set of instructions. Here is our constructed prompt in the interface. We are asking for a Pakistani teacher in a modern AI classroom. Notice how we've included specific technical parameters, explicitly calling for cinematic lighting and a DSLR 85mm lens with a shallow depth of field. Here is the output. A hyper-realistic portrait of the teacher in a navy blue suit, standing in a glowing, futuristic classroom. The image has a natural lens blur in the background and realistic light reflections on the subject's face. The software rendered these details because we explicitly gave it the vocabulary of a physical camera. Engineering a prompt with these specific variables allows the AI to simulate the optical properties, like bokeh and precise focal lengths, that define high-end photography. When people struggle with AI image generation, the failure point is almost always the same. Their instructions are too short and vague. Typing a simple phrase like, "draw a picture of a teacher," gives the system very little data to work with, resulting in a flat, generic graphic. Looking at this comparison checklist, you can see exactly why the basic prompt fails. It provides a subject, but completely ignores style, camera, lighting, and quality. Vagueness is the enemy of digital design. Delivering precise language directly translates to professional fidelity in your output. Mastering these 6 variables allow you to generate high-resolution assets ready for commercial use. As you can see in this layout, high-fidelity images can be deployed immediately for practical business needs. The portrait we generated fits perfectly into a YouTube thumbnail, social media marketing materials, and a standard website header. In our next lesson, we will apply these same principles to design professional logos and promotional posters. If you are ready to put this formula to work, type the phrase, "I want to be an AI designer," in the comments below. Learning to command the AI's rendering engine with precision is the first necessary step to becoming an independent digital creator. Keep practicing your prompts, and I'll see you in day 8.